Alright guys, welcome back. I'm just sitting here downloading Animal Crossing for the next 2 hours, so I figured I would make the video for today, which is going to be David Arthur. With everything going on with the virus, do you think the markets will tank and affect the economy? If so, will that affect electricians? Alright guys, so do I think that the market will tank and affect the economy? Well, honestly, I don't really keep up with any of that stuff. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm not predicting the future or anything like that. I don't know anything about it. So I would say the economy is already trashed right now, according to what I've heard from other people. So if it tanks, yes, it will affect the economy. So those are hand in hand. But the main question I wanted to go over today is, if so, will that affect electricians? I would say yes and no. It just really depends on your area, and what kind of job you have. So like for me, if the economy got worse, would I be out of a job? Maybe I'd be reduced hours. It really just depends if you're in a small company, a big company, and what kind of stuff is going on around you. I mean, if you're working at big job sites, like apartments and stuff like that, then obviously you're going to be still needed to do stuff. Like, just because the economy tanks doesn't mean everyone's going to be affected by it. Some people still need to get their stuff built, like people building, like I said, apartments or whatnot, or assisted living homes. Like, people already have all this money. I don't know. I'm just assuming that people have a bunch of money set aside that they're already planning to spend and get these projects going so they can make even more money, because people that are smart know what to do with their money that makes them money. So anyways, business folk and stuff like that. So anyways, I assume people have money set aside and are willing to start businesses or whatnot, or things like that. So I would say, everyone's, not everyone, but I'm gonna say a lot of people won't be affected by it, but I think some of the smaller companies will be. It really just depends. So yeah, if you're doing, I don't know, because like you can still be doing house calls, like if people are affected, like right now, like if you just take right now for example, like a lot of people still are taking advantage of this time to get stuff done, like either around the house or just like getting their cars worked on because they have free time. So like certain companies are still going to be like doing fine, just like the essentials, like car maintenance and like grocery stores and stuff like that. So I would say stuff still needs to get built. So I would say it shouldn't be too bad. I mean, like, there's already a ginormous demand for electricians. So I think I think it should be all right, So I'm not too worried by it. I mean, it also helps if you know more people. Like, I worked probably for like between like 4 to 6 different companies. So it helps if you have more contacts, that you have more companies to fall back onto. So like if you worked at one company, then it's going to be harder to get another job just because people don't know you. But if you have worked at other places and switched throughout your years of working, I think that would help you out. So get another job real quick or whatnot. So anyways, like I drove by one of my old companies today that I used to work for a really long time, and everyone's still working right now. And with the whole situation going on here, coronavirus. And so anyways, and then actually another company as well, a second company that's also ginormous, has like 600 workers probably, but they're still in business, or not still in business, obviously they're still in business, but they are still operating at this time, and there's like probably like 50 cars out front of their office. So I don't know, maybe they're just not caring about it, or they're taking precautions, or they're all split up. I don't know what the deal is, but so yeah, people are still gonna be working. So anyways, that's my thought on it, and hopefully that wasn't too long or wasted your time, but hopefully that gives you just some ideas of what I'm thinking, David. So hopefully that helped you out. If it did, make sure to drop a like. And got some other questions here, like maybe a tour of my work vehicle. That's an interesting one that I might want to do. And yeah, so that's one of the other questions I got right now. So if there's anything you want to see, make sure to drop a comment below so I can help you guys out. Give me some content ideas. And see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the description for anything else, and drop a, I already said that. Don't forget to, oh my gosh, click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace. I also just want to say one more thing. As I was about to save the video, I remembered one thing, but like right now I'm sitting at home not working just because the state has like a shutdown for non-essential workers or whatnot. So some people are essential just depending on your job site. But I mean, like if your state shuts down, then a lot of people are not going to be working. But like if you're saying, if you're not talking about coronavirus, then I think that you'll be fine as far as working. So I just want to mention that. All right, guys.